Did you know that a staggering 93% of English learners never achieve fluency? Let me tell you a secret. It has absolutely nothing to do with being lazy or how smart you are. The problem is they're using the wrong methods. They got stuck in the grammar trap, memorizing rules but never finding their voice. But fluency isn't about passing a grammar test. It's about connecting with people, sharing your ideas and speaking with natural, easy confidence. Hello my lovely, and welcome to my channel Lily Rose. Today we're going to forget the dusty old textbooks and jump right into 3 practical, powerful techniques that will actually get you speaking. So technique number 1, shadowing. The idea is simple. You listen to a native speaker and you speak with them at the same time, like their shadow. It's not just about repeating words, it's about copying the rhythm, the intonation, the melody of the language. It trains your mouth and your brain to work together, building muscle memory for English sounds. So, find a short podcast clip or even a scene from a Netflix film. For example, if they say, "To be honest, I'm not entirely sure about that," you say it with them. Try to match their pace and their tone. It feels a bit strange at first, but it is a game changer for your pronunciation. Technique number 2, chunking. Stop learning single isolated words. Native speakers don't talk like that. We speak in chunks, group of words that naturally go together. Instead of just learning the word worries, learn the whole phrase, no worries. Instead of agree, learn I couldn't agree more. Think of them as ready-made building blocks for your sentences. You can learn chunks for any situation. For opinions, as far as I'm concerned, for giving yourself time to think, that's a good question. For everyday chat, what have you been up to? This is how you start to sound natural, not like a textbook. Technique number 3, record yourself. Now, this one, many people fear it, but it's pure magic. Record yourself daily, just for 1 minute. I know, nobody likes the sound of their own voice, but this is your secret weapon. Open the video recorder on your phone and just talk. You don't need a grand topic. Talk about the breakfast you had. Describe the weather outside your window. Explain what your plans are for the evening. Then, and this is the most important part, listen back. Don't judge yourself, just notice where did you hesitate, which sounds are tricky. Doing this for 1 minute every day provides incredible feedback. Fluency isn't a magic gift you're born with, it's a skill. And like any skill, you can build it with the right practice. So make a commitment to yourself right now. Comment below and tell me which one you're going to start with.